Put on air, unveiled, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, put on air. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Put on air, or often in its plural form, put on airs, is an idiomatic expression. When someone is said to be putting on airs, it means they are acting as if they are more important or better than they really are. It's like pretending to be someone you're not, often with an attitude of superiority. For example, Sarah is always putting on airs whenever she is around her rich friends, but we know she's just like the rest of us. In this sentence, Sarah acts superior or pretends to be more important when she's with her wealthy friends, even though she's not different from anyone else. The phrase, put on airs, originates from the 18th century. The word, airs, here refers to a person's demeanor or the way someone behaves. So, when someone puts on airs, they are literally putting on a facade or a show, trying to appear as something they are not. It's like wearing a mask of pretentiousness. To help you better grasp this idiom, let's look at some more examples. 1. You don't have to put on airs around us. Just be yourself. 2. Ever since he got promoted, he's been putting on airs and it's quite annoying. 3. She never puts on airs. She's genuine and down to earth. Remember, the phrase is often used in a negative context. It suggests that someone is not being authentic. There you have it. Now you know what put on air means, where it came from, and how to use it in your conversations. English is filled with such colorful idioms, and mastering them will make your conversations more vibrant. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning, and we'll catch up in the next one.